Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a salmon dish. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally around 6 ounces each, with the skin intact. This ensures a beautiful, crispy finish. Next, it's crucial to pat your salmon completely dry using paper towels. Moisture prevents that perfect sear. Finally, season both sides generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder for a foundational flavor. Now let's get that incredible sear. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a good non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Carefully place your seasoned salmon, skin side down, into the hot pan. Let it cook undisturbed for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is key for crispy skin. Then, gently flip the fillets and continue cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfectly flaky texture. To elevate the flavor during the last minute of cooking, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a sprig of fresh rosemary to the pan. As the butter melts, spoon it over the salmon repeatedly. This basting infuses the fish with rich, aromatic notes. Once cooked, transfer the salmon to plates and finish with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This simple addition cuts through the richness and truly brightens every bite. Your perfectly cooked salmon is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor its flaky texture and crispy skin. It pairs wonderfully with simple side dishes like roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a light, fresh green salad. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, garnish your dish with a sprinkle of fresh dill or chopped parsley. This simple, delicious salmon is sure to impress everyone at your table.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.